Hello everyone, I'm going to show you some more nature spirit photos. This is just a cute photo. Looks like someone would live there. I don't know. Here we go. Here are some small faces. You can see over here. Pretty good face over here. Nose, the eyes, mouth, and some other faces around here. And the next photo. Here. See that? Oh, I think it's a dragon. Sure looks like a dragon. See here? The eyes. And here, nose. Hey! Sorry. There. And here are some other faces down here. And another face over here. And another face here. And the dragon up there. Cute, isn't it? Very visible too. Let's get the next one. This will move. Let's see here. I think it was this one. I was going to capture the bumblebees, but it flew away, as you can see there. But there's a cute little face up here. See it? Here, dark eyes, and then nose, and then and the next photo. Here's another photo. And you can see this little guy here. And on the legs. Standing here. Looks like he's holding his head down. Whoa! Let's get the next one. I think it was here. There's some goblins in there, if you can see them. There. There you can see here. And the next here. First is this little guy over there. He's a little gnome. You see here the hat, the face, and the beard, and the body. Cute! And up here are some stone people. Here, see this face here. Here's another one. Yeah, I think that was about it in that picture. Let's see, there's someone in this picture too. No, this one. I can't remember. Let me know if you see anyone. No, not there. And here's another photo. You can see here, there's big face here. Some other faces around here. And next photo, it's actually up here. Can you see it? It looks like some sort of horse or something, and someone sitting there. Very odd. And the next photo, here, face, witch or goblin, eye here, nose, mouth, here, and up here is another one. See a long nose here, and the eye, head. There and there. And here. Can you see it? There. This guy is so cute. Can you see him? Here. The head, the nose, here. So cute! Well, that's another one. I'll continue with the others in the other photo. Take care, love and light. Bye bye.